Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you how to write fractions on Google Docs like this. So let's move on. First, you have to go to the upper left corner of the screen right here. As you can see here, multiple options, file, edit, view. Go to this third option, view, click on it, and then hover your mouse to the show equation toolbar. So click on show equation toolbar and you can see here a new set of options are appeared here. So I will just click on this new equation here, click on this button, and as you can see here, it gives me multiple options of the equation I want to add. So as I want to write some fractions, so I will just go to this math operations options here, click on this button and go to this A by B option, click on this, and as you can see, the fraction has been appeared. So you can write your fractions, your data in here, just put your data and just click enter, and then there you go. So this is how you add fractions on Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment on the video and subscribe to my channel.